I want to let you guys know that over on Savage Prepping, I put up the full video. That is sort of a summary of all the backup battery systems that I've purchased and reviewed for you guys, starting at small, medium, and large. So just go over to Savage Prepping on YouTube. Just go to Google, type in all one word at Savage Prepping. It'll pull up the YouTube channel, and it's a pretty good watch. I really keep it sort of simple. I will say this. Going through a lot of blackouts over my life, and especially over the past few years, I will say that there is some sense of peace when you know that when the power goes out and everyone else in the neighborhood is sitting in darkness, that you have the ability, even if it's just to have a couple of lights on, to have internet, to have Wi-Fi, to have the TV on, to be able to charge your phone and have that available nonstop. So I'll show you the different levels. I'll start at the low end and go all the way up to the huge EcoFlow system. So go over and watch that. What am I doing today? We had 3 days of straight rain. We got 6.5 inches of rain in 3 days. And I have taken care of most of the water and drainage issues on this property, but the garden, which is tied into the chicken coop, has not been fixed. And so the chicken coop and their run was kind of flooded out. So I've been digging trenches, and I'll go up there and show you what I'm doing. I think I have some footage from the other day when when all the rain was going on. It was crazy, man. But I just got in some more annual ryegrass. I'm gonna try and put some down. I think it'll germinate. We're gonna be touching into the 60s, 50s, and 60s. So I want to put more seed down in the backyard. I want to put some more down in the pond. And then I want to put some more, if I have enough, out here, which is this green space area between the house and the barn. The other day I got in 100 pounds of rye grain seed. So it's not ryegrass, it's actually cereal rye. And I put that on my upper field up there because that was getting a little bit worn down and muddy up there. I put down a huge amount of seed up there. Let's hope it takes. And then I drove my UTV over it and over it and over it and over it to try and push it into that little muddy dirt area up there. We'll see what happens. I ordered some drainage pipes, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something weird happened up here when they trenched my water in. All the water came down and it opened up that trench, but it actually worked out for the best, I think, because I think what I can do is I can actually bury some, windy out here, I can bury some drainage pipes in there with some gravel. So I don't know, I got a lot going on. Let's see what we do in this video. I honestly don't know, but go watch that backup battery video real quick. So I have almost 1,000-foot driveway, and on either side there's water drainage, but this is the one I worry about. You can see it's flowing like a creek. And in fact, when we bought the property, this is how it looked, but I just need to open up. I need to go up here and open up some of this drainage and make sure that this pipe, when we bought this, we had to tear up this section of road and put in a steel pipe. So we tore this all up and we put in a drainage pipe underneath here. Now this does not go to my pond. This bypasses my pond. So one of the things you don't want to do is be standing around these woods when it kicks up to 20 miles an hour, because you'll have some deadfalls around here. See those trees over there? You get one of those and you'll have a bad day. All right, so now she's flowing. It's just this little swampy area. I just need to keep the leaves out. And you can see So we have pretty much solved all of our drainage issues on this property, except for the garden and the chicken coop, which I should have done last year. It's my fault. But you can see, so a lot of this water comes down and runs in here. The pool's over here. It's starting to, for the first time, it's pooling in the chicken house. I've never seen it that bad. I think we've had about 6 inches of rain over the past 3 days. But here's what I'm doing temporarily. Now I need to dig this trough out. I can have that drain there, but where they trench this line, it's actually acting as a drain, which I'm fine with. I'm gonna go down there and open it up, and it's down probably about 6 or 8 inches, and the pipe is still really well covered, but look at that. So what I've done is I've gone in here, poor girls, half their coop is flooded in here, and so I've dug a channel out. You can see the water draining, and now I got to open this up. But what I need to do is get an excavator and a backhoe in here. I need to fix this problem permanently. Yeah. I think you can see what I'm dealing with here. Okay, so let me talk over the screaming chickens. I have them locked out of their outside coop, and that's why they're screaming at me, because they want to get out there and they want some treats. So what I've done, there was a big pool of water all down in this corner and over here. But here's the interesting thing. They trenched in my water line here, and then they trenched in that line. Well, this line sunk down and act just like a drainage line. I'm like, dude, that's going to save me so much digging. So I ordered some, I didn't have any more. I ordered some 4-inch perf pipe, which has perf holes on the bottom. And what I'm doing is I actually took my torch and I had to bend it a little bit here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get that to go. And if I can get that down into here, that'll work perfect. So as of now, this is temporary. I'm just sort of putting it in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set some concrete blocks on it and put a little gravel in there just to test it. So the next rain that comes up, before we go digging this whole thing up and sinking this pipe in here, I want to test and make sure that that's actually effective. Because if it's not effective, why am I doing this whole thing? I think it'll work. Knock on wood, I think it'll work. So anyways, I've learned that when you put this pipe in, you're best off, before you put your gravel, is put concrete blocks on it, because if you put the gravel, the pipe will actually float up. So I'm going to put concrete blocks there. I'm going to put some gravel, because the chickens kick shit over, kick everything everywhere. So those concrete blocks will actually hold that pipe down until we figure out if we have to go deeper on this thing. I got a feeling we got to take it down another 3 inches or so. But so I went and got a couple concrete blocks. I stole some gravel from down over there, and of course my tires are flat, so I had to go get my tire pump, and now I gotta fill these tires up. I'll finish this up. And pretty much we use 57 gravel for all of our drainage ditch systems around here that we've put in. Basically, we take an excavator and we dig a trench. Matter of fact, see that gravel path right there? That's 3 feet deep because the water was pooling here. So I had to take out that hill and fill it with gravel. So this no longer turns into a pond here because of that. So you take out all the dirt, fill it with gravel, and you can see it. You can literally watch it running through the gravel when it gets real high. All right. So I got a little drain here. Let all this water pool in here, come in, open this up. That should all drain into here. And I've got a lower pitch on it. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna let them out because they're driving me crazy. Man, look at John way up there. Look at you, buddy. You're way up there. I know you guys want to come out. Go ahead and do your chicken thing. Mess up my good work. You girls are working, huh? Let's see what we got. That one's warm. Can I have that egg, babe? How about this one? That's a fake one. You can keep that one. I think I have 8. That makes 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. That's fake. Here, have an egg. Have an egg. Right, so that's 15 eggs. 15 eggs by 10:30. And they're probably sitting on a few. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, girls, who's doing that? I'm finding 1 egg a day. See, I'm gonna have to get another nesting box out here. And I kind of have this feeling the more dominant chickens are coming up here. I may put it lower, put a little bit lower, like a foot lower. Maybe the other girls, the less dominant girls, will eat it. We'll use it. All right, so I ordered ryegrass from Lowe's or Home Depot. And this, I'm not gonna put any more seed down. This looks great, but the pond and the backyard are actually looking kind of weak. So I'm gonna reseed that, and then if I have enough, I'm gonna do that back area between the house and the barn, put some more annual down there. I don't know, we'll see how much I have. I had 100 pounds. I put out about 25 pounds on the backyard. But I got my automatic spreader hooked up on the other UTV. I'm gonna go use it. Something must have happened because they all went into their house. Did you guys see a hawk or something? Huh? Did you guys see a hawk? They were all inside their house. I haven't seen that in a long time. Yeah, now they're brave that Dad's here. Yeah, Dad's here. Now we can be brave. Whoa, look at you fly. Oh, you're a good flyer. Come here, chick, 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 chick. Come here, chick, chick, chick. Come on. Here, chick, 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 chick. Oh, run away. Run away. Run away. Everybody run away. I don't know. Every time I do that, they run away. Bunch of nuts. Man, I'll tell you what. It's 1 o'clock and I'm already exhausted and tired. It's been a long morning. I got up at 4:55 this morning to go deer hunting. It was a crappy day to go deer hunting. I only saw just a couple deer. It was windy and noisy. But man, I've been going non-stop after that. So I've got all my seed down. I've got more annual ryegrass on the back, on the pond front, and behind on the barn. I've got cereal rye in the upper field, and I have some more cereal rye I'm gonna put down. I'm not positive about the germination. Cereal rye can germinate down, down to 40 degrees soil temperature, and we're gonna be in the 50s and 60s for highs, so we'll see what happens. This area looks great, but the rest of the areas are a little bit weak just because we've been down. Oh man, last week we were getting down to 19 degrees. Make sure you watch that solar generator video over there. Don't forget we're doing our Christmas giveaway, our annual customer subscriber appreciation. So just get on our mailing list. It's over at the website. Sign up. Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, we'll use a random number generator for those that are on the email list and subscribers, and we'll give away just $3,000 cash. You get a check for $3,000. Just something I've been doing every year, and just to say thanks to you guys. I think I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna go sit down. I'm gonna split some firewood, and because it's a little chilly out here. I'll talk to you later. Doc.